We are making a delicious kale salad with produce from Raw Food and Goods. This is a tahini dressing that I just made, super simple and easy. If you're interested, comment below and I will share the recipe. Now that the kale is absorbing all that yummy dressing, I am just going to cube these gold beets that I just roasted in the oven at about 400 degrees for about 25 minutes. And you just peel the skin off. Cube it up. So now I'm adding to the kale some shaved fennel, some cucumbers, pumpkin seeds, dried cranberries, some shallots, and all of that beautiful gold beet, a little bit of feta, and I'm just going to add some fennel fronds, a little squeeze of lemon, and combine. This is it. It's delicious. It's flavorful and so filling. Give it a try.